Hi everybody, I want to go over a video just to show you how to get your documents so that you can annotate them. And in order to do that, and that means to write on them, so you're going to go to your module and whatever document you are going to be using. Let's just say we're going to use Inquiring Minds today. So we're going to click on that, and then we're going to click on it, and we're going to see that it downloads over here. And once it's downloaded, you'll see a check mark. Okay, at this point, we want to go to our Finder. Once we're at our Finder, then we want to go to our Google Drive. We're going to click on My Drive. You're going to click on your Science folder, and then you are going to click on whatever folder it is that you're working on, which in this case, it would be the Doing Science, but it would be whichever one. And now here's the really simple, easy way to do this. So what we're going to do is we're just going to take this file that we downloaded and we're just going to drag it right into our file. And as you can see, this little clock is or almost looks like a timer. And it's going to take a little bit for that timer to fill in, and there you've got a cloud and you know that you have it. Then once you've got that, you're just going to click on it and it will open in preview. And in preview, you can interact with it a number of ways. One, you can just click on it and put your name. One thing about preview, you have to save as you do things. And unfortunately, preview is a little glitchy. When you sometimes take the text box, and try to move it around, it sometimes freezes up. So I strongly encourage you, after you've typed a bit and you're sure that you have what you want, that you click File and you click Save. And do that often. Another thing I want to show you is when you're looking for that file, make sure the next day when you open it up that you go to your Google Drive. Don't go to Downloads or to recent files, although it may be a recent file that you've worked on in Google Drive, but go to Google Drive and make sure you've got that right file, because that'll help you keep things organized. Another way that you can interact with your document, actually on your screen it's going to be a pen. Here it looks sort of like a box, but it's called the markup tool, and you're just going to click on that, and that will allow you multiple different tools. So if you can't get it just to work to click to get a text box, then you can click on the markup tools, and then you can get a text box, which then you can move around. But remember, as I said, make sure as you're moving it around that you click Save. And before you close out, before you leave class, always click Save at the end of your work. And you'll be ready to go the next day, even if you close it out. Hope that helps.